Ken, is this your first time preparing food for the Arden?
No. Done it before, but I'm struggling with this glove though.
They are super fun.
Are these the budget cuts?
You want a season?
Sure.
Hi, my name's Annie. I'm the industrial designer for the Arden Indoor Smoker, and I was able to host a usability study with some of the local groups and invited them in to test out the design guide units and play with the user interface that I've been working on. So we were able to invite some local people to come in, see Arden for the first time, and just open it, interact with it, interact with the unit as well as the user interface that we've been working on, and just see how well they respond to the user interface. Is it easy for them to figure it out? Is it difficult or confusing? And try to pinpoint out pain points that we could tackle in the next iteration. In the end, it was actually really awesome to be able to show Arden to people who have never touched it before. And honestly, I felt really satisfied because it felt like my hard work paid off in the end. Everybody got to their end goal. Everybody understood what they needed to do, and a few kinks along the road, but that's always expected, and that helps me learn how to do my job better. So I really appreciate everybody who came in to help us out, and hopefully we get to do more in the future.
So as you know, we've been cooking a lot of chicken wings in Arden in our DG prototype here with improving results. As you know, I think I've mentioned in other videos, a lot of the settings here are still manual as we're trying to choose where the sensors are located. We're kind of fine-tuning a lot of those things. So some of the controls are still manual, but each time we've cooked wings, they've been better than the last time, right? So, and then recently we started cooking ribs. We hadn't done anything other than chicken wings in these prototypes until recently. We tend to, in our testing, we tend to like to cook our ribs pretty warm. We cook them at about 300 degrees for about 4 hours. And that's a good balance of time and results, right? So we're all about trying to get as many cooks in as short a time as possible. So that works well for us. So as we kind of dialed in the temperature control, the ribs got better and better. We actually hosted some people here on site to sample what we made in the Ardens. We had 2 Ardens side by side, and we were cooking ribs in both. We put sauce on one set of ribs, and the others we just kept dry with a rub. Those ribs turned out really good, right? So we got amazing feedback from the people that were here. They almost couldn't believe that we made those indoors, right? So we're getting better. We're continuing to dial things in. We're still moving a couple of things. We're tweaking some of the mechanical design, like where the sensor's located in the cavity, what temperatures we operate at, some geometries and various things. But each time we do that, we're getting better. And I'm really excited about this product. The performance is gonna be amazing. I'm very excited.